All right, guys, welcome back to another video Shenanigans. So remember when I told you that the Pixel Fold had good cameras, but it needed like the perfect lighting? Well, here's the situation. So I'm out here in my spot where I normally would film at, and here's the Pixel Fold. Now this quality probably looks great. I mean, yeah, it does good in this scenario. Car's looking beautiful. It's now detailed, but the video probably looks great in this scenario, and I can't hate on it. It's really good. Let me go around to the other side here. Because this side over here, normally when I film this way, it's normally a little bit darker. But this is the Pixel Fold out in the elements, recording, looking pretty good. Yeah, I'm gonna see if I can switch to wide angle. There we go. Let's get some zoom going. Still does that little snap too. But yeah, this is the Pixel Fold, man. The Pixel Fold does really good. The colors are accurate, but it has to be in a setting like this. In my experience, it has to be in a setting where it's really bright out and it's got the perfect lighting, and you know, it's quiet. The microphones are going to pick up either way, but yeah, the Pixel Fold does well, man. Look at the nice little clean of wheels. Pixel Fold does extremely well, just like the iPhone, in the right setting. And one thing about the Pixel Fold is the audio should sound really, really good. Now, believe it or not, it's actually kind of windy out here. It's actually kind of windy, and the Pixel Fold does very well under those circumstances for a vlog. So I'm going to take some photos now. I was just going to shoot photos around the house, but I was like, I'm going to go out, drive. I was running an errand. I'm just going to go out and drive the Tesla out to my spot over here, and take some photos. I really like the wide angle on here. One thing about the Pixel Fold I've noticed, when you use wide angle, it doesn't change the color representation of what you're shooting. Some phones do that. Like, they literally will change the color of what you're shooting. And you can see here, you can see it. I'm actually using the Pixel Fold. You can't really tell. It's kind of dark, but yeah, the Pixel Fold doesn't appear to be changing the color representation of what I'm shooting. When I'm shooting on this side, it's always darker for some reason, but yeah, now I'm going to go ahead and take some photos, go back to regular lens, take some photos, and then get out of here, man. Let's continue this vlog or see what we got. I'm going to shoot myself next. Actually, let me just flip it around now. Here we go. Me and all my sweat. All my sweat, out here sweating. Because it is 100 and something humidity out here, like 115 humidity. So it's always freaking humid out here. But nonetheless, this is a vlog. I'll continue with shot. I will take some photos and everything too. But I just decided to come over here and use the Pixel Fold. Well, the Pixel Fold is my daily driver. Somebody was asking me what my daily driver was. The Pixel Fold is the main phone, and then I'll rotate with the Pixel Fold or the Pixel Fold, the Z Fold 5 or the Z Flip 5, probably on the weekends. And sometimes last week I used the Z Fold for about 4 days straight. But yeah, let's take some photos of the car and some other things with the Pixel Fold. Hope you enjoyed the video. All right, guys, so there you have it, man. Quick vlog and camera sample from the Pixel Fold. Hope you guys enjoyed this. I'm gonna flip it around. I'm in widescreen still. I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. Audio should be really good on this thing because you know they have some of the best audio in the game for recording a vlog, along with Samsung, and Apple has it. Apple has it as well. But here's the car. This is the vlog. Really loving how the Pixel Fold does out in the elements, but man, I've tried to use this indoors for like recording content and it just doesn't look that good. But out here, looks great, right? Anyway, it's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed a quick vlog and camera sample from the Google Pixel Fold. What do you think?